we get to see our final grades na. Bro, that's Kathryn Bernardo. Chobani. Start ng finals week ko siya gito. Okay, good morning guys and welcome to another UNI vlog. It's August 16. It's 7:41 a.m. I woke up really early today kasi it's a special day for me. Basically, it's our grade consultation day. We get to see our final grades na for the whole term. And just to give you a background, this is actually my last academic term before I start my internship and my thesis era. Nag-i-email yung Lasal ng madaling araw. Last term, 1 a.m. ko nakuha yung grades ko eh. This term, nag-off muna ako ng notice. Kasi ayoko muna siya makita. Actually, I'm quite scared kasi hindi ko din alam. I actually haven't had breakfast yet, so I might eat first. And then, tsaka ko na lang i-check yung grades ko. Okay. Let's go. Let's eat. Para mawala ang kaba natin, guys. This is the TikTok famous Chobani. I'm gonna try it. Ooh. So then I'm supposed to flip it.
아이 엄마가 운전자였던 택배기사와 택배회사 상 그리고 시간이 흐르면서 이제는
This is it. What's my password? Oh my gosh! I can finally breathe, y'all. I was so scared for nothing, guys. Okay, to be fair, alam ko na yung grades ko for my 2 majors. Yung mga GEs na lang talaga. Kasi for some reason, mas nakakakaba mag-abang ng grades sa GEs. Well, possible din naman para sa majors. But it really depends sa prof. So it's either they're gonna ask you to submit a ton of requirements or as in, isa lang and then dun na magbe-base yung grade mo. Which is mas nakakakaba, right? But yeah, puti naman. I got straight 4s again. Thank you, Lord. Okay, now I have to sign a lot of papers. Mamuwas to. Ayun, where's my ballpen? I also have a lot of content briefs to go through. So many deadlines this August. Yeah, we're gonna do a lot of admin and computer work for today. So, bear with me, guys. So, I'm done with the MOAs and yung mga ARs na kailangan kong i-sign. But I haven't started with my outlines and yun pa naman yung mas matagal. I think we're leaving in a bit kasi mag-grocery kami, guys. So, I'll just do them pag uwi. Mag-aayos muna ako, guys. I'll see you sa grocery!
Nangyari pag inuwi ako?
Nakakatakot siya.
Let's get this instead.
Califia Palms.
That's a lot, ate.
Finally have a new gua sha. finishing a lot of backlogs right now. It's currently 1:57 a.m. I think magpupuyat ako tonight kasi I really need to finish these and submit them tomorrow morning para makahabol ako sa deadline. I did my skincare na rin para I'm done. Let's play BTS. Good morning, guys. Last puyat ko na talaga yun. I thought kapag bakasyon ko na hindi na ako magpupuyat, pero here we are. Last na talaga yun, guys. Today is a brand new day kasi I'm gonna be playing pickleball with friends. I washed my face and did my gua siya na kaya I'm doing my moisturizer. I'm not gonna put makeup na kasi ganun din, magpapawis din naman ako. Surprisingly, I have really good skin today. I think it's because of this one kasi ang dami ko nilagay nito kagabi. This is from Pond's, the Hydra Miracle Ultralight Biome Gel. I'm not gonna lie, 1 week ko pa lang to ginagamit kasi start ng finals week ko siya ginamit kasi sakto, naubusan ako ng moisturizer. Ginagamit ko before. Ito. Wala na itong laman, guys. So, ito na yung ginagamit ko. As a dry skin girl, I really need moisturizer. Moisturizer that I can use not just at night, but also in the morning. Actually, ina-endorse din to ni Chewy from Twice. If you know Twice, we love her. We love them. So, isa din yun sa mga reasons ba't ko to tinry. But it's really good, guys. It instantly absorbs into the skin. Even if you add another layers, it's really perfect for our Philippine weather. I know some people say na if you guys have oily skin, you don't really need moisturizers, but it's actually the opposite. Hydration and moisture is still important, guys. I think I slept around 2 or 3 a.m. last night, but look at my skin. Still looks fresh and not dull. Ito talaga yung moisturizer na ginamit ko during our finals week. I really feel like this really helped my skin feel and look more alive. Kahit puyat ako and stressed ako during those days. So I checked yung benefits nito real quick. I found out na this is actually formulated with millions of prebiotics and Cera-Hyamino. I wanna check how much siya ngayon. I'm pretty sure hindi ito mahal eh. But yung formula niya and yung smell niya, para siyang yung alam mo mahaling moisturizer. Basically, it restores your skin biome and strengthens your skin barrier. Which I didn't know na magkaiba yun. So basically, the skin microbiome, it acts as the skin barrier's barrier. So to put it simply, kunwari, this is your skin barrier. There's another layer, or there's another barrier that's supposed to protect the skin barrier. So this is nice kasi there are a lot of moisturizers out there that are just for moisturizing your skin. With this one, if your skin feels unbalanced, like meron kang inflammation, dryness, or even breakouts, this will help restore that balance. This is so nice, no? I will leave a link below kasi this is just less than 500 peso for 50 grams. They also have a sachet version and a mini size of this one, like 20 grams. If you want to try it out first, you have a lot of options. If lagi kayong puyat like me, or like if you're dealing with stress and feeling nyo nakaka-affect na siya sa skin nyo, try this one from Pond's. Really helpful talaga if you want that glowing and balanced skin. Honestly, shocked na less than 1K lang to kasi kaya nyo makipag-compete sa mga moisturizers ko na worth 1.5 or 2K. So yeah, super sulit. I will leave a link below if you guys wanna try it out.
Time limit. Sorry. Hey! So kami po magka-team guys.
Tomorrow kasi I have an event with Cream Silk. That's why they sent me this huge package. But I just found out na I will be doing a TikTok with the one and only Kathryn Bernardo. I know, it's so crazy. Like, I don't know how ako magpe-prepare for that. Like, imagine doing a TikTok with Kathryn Bernardo. I'm so excited. I don't even know paano ako mag-act in front of her. I feel like I'm gonna be super starstruck. Let's just see kung anong mangyayari, guys. It's gonna be a full day event for me tomorrow, so magpapaayos na lang ako. Kasi after the event, I have to go to BeautyCon and I have dinner pa. Birthday dinner with my family. Grabe, wish me luck. I don't even know what to wear. Kasi I thought it's just going to be a normal event. They just sent me kung ano yung TikTok na gagawin ko with her. So apparently, it's the "My name's Pink and I'm really glad to meet you" trend. So, grabe, feel ko kailangan kong magpamassage ng kamay. Kasi like, bro, that's Kathryn Bernardo. And like, magka-handshake ako with her. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Cream Silk, for this opportunity. Hopefully, I get to take a picture also. Which feeling ko kaya naman since I'm there with her. But like, feeling ko kasi usually with those events, super ngarag. Yeah, wish me luck, guys. But I'm so excited for tomorrow. I'll just update you tomorrow morning. Okay? Let's go. Yung ako may mga deals talaga. Saan may push mo? Meron ba daw ulit? Meron ba ulit? I will invest. Ako CEO.
Oo, kasi sa damit mo kasi. Member ka rin ba?
Pero malinis naman yun.
OG conditioner. Yes, OG Aster. Pwede na ba guys? So which is all about our hashtag also, power to
Okay, so today is a reset day for me. I decided that I will be cleaning my room, I will be decluttering some clothes, sort out yung mga PR na natanggap ko, and just have a total reset day. So ito yung mga natanggap kong PR from this week, so let's do a quick unboxing. To be honest, I'm still not sure if you guys are like enjoying these PR hauls. I feel like ginagawa ko sila every video. Maybe comment a unicorn emoji. Para malaman ko if you guys still wanna watch PR hauls. Kasi yung mga ganito, I am not required to post them. Anyway, let's start with Sunnies. So, I had a back-to-school campaign with them. Super cute nun kasi nag-film ako talaga sa Lasal. So, yun, I got a flask from them. I also got this for your Sunnies. So, if you're gonna travel, this is perfect. Of course, I got new specs. I got this one, yung Lane in dark Tort. Looks something like this. I like this so much kasi I feel like I look so smart whenever I wear it. And then this one, this reminds me of Gentle Monster. Look at that. And I also got one na pang cycle ko or pang workout ko. This is how it looks like. So, if kunyari mag-run ako, babike ako, this is perfect. I'm just gonna link these below. I also got a phone holder. Something like this. So cute. I got more stuff na ipapag-giveaway ko on my broadcast channel. So, if hindi pa kayo part dun, guys, just go to my Instagram. I do a lot of giveaways there. Like, extra PR that I get. Kasi, of course, hindi ko naman lahat nagagamit talaga yung mga products. So, I always like to share them with you guys. So, this is for my mom. I also got her this cute flask. Meron pa pala siyang ganito. Thank you so much again, Sunnies, for collaborating with me for your back-to-school campaign. Okay, next is from Kate Spade. This is also a project, or yung product na to, it was for a project. So I got this really cute bag from them. Ta-da! It's just so cute kasi wala pa akong color na ganito. And it's the perfect length for my shoulders. You know, yung parang hindi siya super sikip na gano'n. Very, very happy with this bag. So thank you so much po. I also got the new perfumes from Lucky Beauty. Can we appreciate the packaging? Oh my gosh. It looks so expensive. It feels expensive also kasi medyo mabigat yung bottle na. So, I'm gonna choose yung favorite scent ko ulit. I like that they also gave yung minis nito para it's easier to bring. Out of the 3 scents, I like the blue one or the Moment of Peace. Okay, now let's proceed with Love Bonito. I'm so happy that they were able to send this over. Okay, first is this beautiful white vest. I also got this beautiful white dress, and then I got this white trousers. Okay, so we're almost done. I have like 2 packages left. So this is from Sperry. Hi Nicole, here's a pair of Sperry casual shoes just for you. Can't wait to see them in your fits. This is my first like high quality loafers. So nice, no? I feel like you should have at least 1 pair of loafers in your closet because it's such a classic piece. Thank you so much, Sperry. I'm gonna be using this a lot, especially soon because it's my thesis era. Another package is from Guess. So I got this high-rise jeans. It just has this logo sa likod. Ooh, I also got this very cute knit cardigan. Lastly, they sent me this plain black top, perfect for every day. Okay, so this is our last package na, and this is from the brand Mediheal. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would know na sobrang addicted ko dito. This is the toner pads. They sent like all the variations ng toner pads nila. Like, look at this, ang dami! Oh my gosh! I finally have the retinol one, tea tree, collagen. This is the pink one. Basta ang dami, guys. I'm probably gonna give away some of these broadcast channel ko kasi this is like a lot for me. They also sent me some acne patches. Thank you so much, Mediheal, for sending all these. Grabe. Alright, now it's time to clean all the mess. And after this, I'm gonna be decluttering my clothes.
I don't care about it all. 어젯밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아.